always getting comments on how I curl my hair, so I thought I would give you guys a very in-depth tutorial on how I curl my hair with a clamping iron today. So if you want your hair to look like this, then keep watching. First step is to prep your hair. So I use dry shampoo and heat protectant, and then I go in with a comb and split my hair down the middle. I always start from the left side of my head and then take about a 2 to 3 inch section from the back of my hair. I section the rest of my hair with a hair clip to the top of my head. Then I go focus in that little section, and I always split it in half so I can get the most precise curls. Then take your curling iron with your pointer finger on it and have the clamp facing the mirror. Grab it with your curling iron from the top and slide it down to about the middle. Then you're going to twist it back up away from your face. Grab on to the rest of the hair that you left out and use that to anchor the curling iron so you can pull it further down and twist it back up. And then keep doing that till you have no hair sticking out of the bottom of the curling iron. To release the hair, have the tip of the curling iron facing your scalp. Slowly unravel and then pull the curling iron at the bottom so that you get this nice bouncy curl. Then you can keep watching that part over, but just repeat that for the entire left side of your head. And just make sure that when you're unraveling, you're always pulling that end piece so that you don't get super tight, really crazy curls. You're kind of getting those looser beach waves. And by the way, if you're wondering, I'm using the BioIonic 1.25 inch curling iron. I just recently got it and I absolutely love it. Okay, moving on to the right side, we're basically gonna do the exact same thing but mirror it. So take another 2 to 3 inch section and then split it in half. And then again, make sure the clamp of your curling iron is facing the mirror. That is so important. Grab the hair at the top, pull halfway down, and then twist it back up. And then continue doing this on that strand until you have little to no hair peeking out of the bottom. When I do this, I always hold it at the top for about 2 to 3 seconds. And then again, when you unravel, have the tip facing your scalp and then pull it at the end to get that really nice beach wave. You always want to make sure that the curls are going away from your face. So again, that's why it's so important that the clamp stays facing the mirror. I've said this a million times, but when you unravel it, tug it at the end so that you can get a really nice bouncy curl. And then once again, just repeat all those steps for the rest of your head. And then you'll be left with a really pretty nice beachy, bouncy kind of blowout look like this. And then I always put some sort of hair product in my hair after. I use the Amika Glass Action Elixir to make sure that my hair looks really shiny. And this is what it looks like from the back. I'm super happy how these curls turned out today. Let me know if this video was helpful and follow for more. Bye.